Understanding power is fundamental for project managers. Power is simply your ability to influence others' decisions, behaviors, and future actions. Leadership is the process of using this power effectively to mobilize your team towards project goals. Influence is the method through which you gain and apply that power. Remember, using power wisely and kindly is key, as team dynamics can be sensitive. It's important to distinguish between authority and power. Authority is the formal right given to you, perhaps by your role, to command or give orders. Power, on the other hand, is your actual ability to command, which you achieve by influencing others, regardless of your formal title. As project managers, you wield different types of power. These include formal or legitimate power from your position, reward power through recognition or incentives, and penalty or coercive power through discipline. You also have expert power based on your knowledge and referent power based on personal charisma or respect. Expert and reward power are generally the most effective, while penalty power is typically the least productive approach. Consider a project manager navigating a complex project. They might rely on referent power, built on trust and respect, or legitimate power, based on their role, to ensure team members meet deadlines. While penalty power is available, effective managers use it sparingly, understanding its potential negative impact on team morale and performance. Let's consider a scenario. You need a team member to follow your directions. Compliance is the main goal, though some resistance is acceptable, and commitment would be nice. Which type of power should you primarily use in this situation? Thinking about that previous scenario, where compliance is paramount but commitment is secondary, consider the power types again. Would expert or referent power be most effective, or perhaps penalty power? Or is legitimate or reward power the best fit for achieving simple compliance? Spoiler alert. Your best approach here is either legitimate or reward power. Now let's shift the focus. Imagine you need a team member to be truly committed to your direction, even if they initially show some resistance. Which type of power is most likely to foster that deep level of commitment? Is expert or referent, penalty or legitimate or reward power is the right choice? Reflecting on the scenario just described, where commitment is the desired outcome, think about the impact of different power bases. Which approach, relying on your expertise and relationship, imposing penalties, or using your formal position and rewards, is most likely to inspire genuine buy-in from your team? In this situation, try expert power. Here's a different situation. You simply need a team member to do exactly what you ask, and you're not concerned about their level of commitment or feeling about it. Pure compliance is the objective. In this instance, consider which power type is most direct for achieving this specific transactional outcome. Finally, remember to consider currencies when influencing others. Influence often involves an exchange. Think about what others value and what you can offer in return for their cooperation or support. This could be resources, information, recognition, or even political capital within the organization.